red. Actually going on this Infiniti. This was our giveaway winner from our car show. Try to wrap it in one day. What up, Turbo? Wrapping it up.
So my cameras, please.
And that red with the black. Is he changing this? Or no?
No, he's gonna change it later.
Paint it?
No, he's gonna change it later. He's gonna make it black with light blue.
Got going on over here. That tattoo we did. Gotta redo it. Actually, not redo it. We're just gonna make it dark like we did the flower. But it's coming out pretty nice. Wide load.
You didn't put no inlays?
Cool. It's a nice ass color. Ooh.
Well, now it's red, brother.
Damn, it changed the whole look of it.
Really
We don't need this on, right? Yeah, it came out right.
If you want, you can come back with those. Sure. What if you can't fit them? Okay.
They'll fit, it's just it'll take a while because you got the jacket to the car, or either that or take off the split. I don't know wheels are split.
Yeah, I like that red a lot. Like it?
Hell yeah, bro. That shit fire.
You want to turn it off? The car?
Gotta get it when it's yellow. Oh, but it's hard to get it when it's yellow.
No, just roll it up. Roll it up. I'm gonna have Herman pull out the car. Hey, Herman, pull out the car. All right. You guys ready? He's gonna pull it out. Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna pull it out and warm it up. He's not gonna turn it off. That way I can pull the other car in before it helps. And it's raining too. They spray it so it doesn't pull up the floor. Yeah, we spray the floor because every time we turn the wheels, it picks up the floor and it's kind of annoying. Trying to find a solution for it, but man, you're getting trigger happy on.
I want to follow. Get the whole forward. That's good, that's good.
I can do is picking up the ground. Oh, it's raining right now.
Yeah, that ceramic coat for nothing, huh? Didn't give it time to heal.
Shut this bitch down and shoot some flames.
Right now?
Hell yeah.
No.
I want to hear this shit. Bro.
Shoots flames? I thought it was just for looks.
Nah, this bitch.
But it needs to be warm.
It's this bad boy over here.
Why do they have the rain?
Can't really see, but gotta touch up the dragon, make it a little darker. Getting this thing ready for Vegas. Give you a 360 view.
At the
They were
end,
baby
bro.
flames, but
No,
look nice.
Bro, they crazy flames. Nah, just keep this with you, bro. We're just fucking around.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, but our wrap giveaway chose a fire red. Man, these wraps, they just look different outside. Y'all take care.